Today's intro is a bit different because, as you can see of these, I've lined up all my aircraft models from the smallest to the biggest, as you can see right here. We have some new contenders, and the contender we'll be mostly focusing on is the Atlas Air Boeing 747-400F, which is actually by Gemini Jackson. It's my first interactive model, so this video will be a little bit special. Let's open it. So here it is, and then let me just open the rest. So let's take off the plastic, and then this nose bit keeps falling. So I'm just going to put this on my side, but not on the ground since I don't want to fall. So just wait, since I will put this nose bit on. As you can see, here is the full plane. So that's the full plane in its interactive mode. So we have the flap, the aircraft, and I'm going to describe the airplane at the end, since there's so many parts. Boeing 747-400 Freighter Atlas Air Interactive Series. And 1/400 scale die-cast model, Boeing 747-400 Freighter. And you, for aviation fans out there, remember when Gemini Jets had that retro style of box, which was there was a map for the flag. So actually, yeah, I missed the retro style, but this looks more modern and font size is better. As you can see, you can take off the nose, so you can put the other compartment. And also, I noticed on the bottom, it has the Atlas Air branding, like almost everything. So now let's get on with the description of this plane. So, as you might all know, Atlas Air on both sides. No emergency exit since it's a cargo. So the registration N492MC. So the flaps, and I like how these wheels have more like a whitish tone, like in real life, rather than the older releases who have more a grayish tone. And as you can see, the stabilizer with the logo, which is the world, which just literally means shipping to the world. This is actually going to be my second cargo 1/400. So if I just get my other one, which is a beluga. So actually, he is, I think, the biggest one compared to height. So let me just he fits on the stand. So so here he is on the stand. This Atlas set is nicely detailed. Actually, my likes are basically realistic always, of course, and basically the landing gear tones, since the older releases have grayish, which is an improvement done. The thing that I dislike is that it's actually really hard in compared to the 747-8F that I heard, since that one is much easier than this. I bought this from Westman Toys, which shout out to, because the shopkeeper was really nice. So well, he said this one was like a bit hard to do, so he said he'd rather recommend not buying it. So next year, hopefully I get one of those AI, or I might get, next year when I come there, I also might get like a character livery aircraft, which I really want to, especially Japan, and I might get another retro. I like the blue tone on the Atlas Air because it gives chill vibes, but the yellow and blue kind of remind me of IKEA, since I've actually been to IKEA yesterday. So it kind of reminds me of like the Sweden flag, which for SAS they should make like a livery, sort of like this, like the wording. Two of them are and one of them is blue, like the usual ones. So overall, this model on details is pretty good, and also with the lines, because before they used to be textured, I think, but now they're just paint. Now they're just paint instead of texture, which is nice to prevent more like accidents from happening, for like scratching your finger on it. So this model is, on a scale to 10, I would say 6, despite how hard this is. So the facts. Livery is Atlas Air. Aircraft type Boeing 747-447U freighter. Serial number 29253. Line number 1169. Registration N492NC, as I mentioned before. Engines 4 times GE CF680 C2BSB5F, and its first flight 2nd of August 1998. Delivery date 12th August 1998. Max takeoff weight, which this can support a lot, 875,000 pounds. Cruising speed 580 mph. Range is allowed 8,382 miles. So the length is 231 feet 10 inches, height 63 feet 8 inches, which I think. Wingspan 211 feet 5 inches. That's basically it. So also remember Q&A questions, and also today was a bit disappointing day for us Brits, since basically World Cup the Spain won, Brits lost. Bye, see you next time, and smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get all notifications.